Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to buy a coin on Bybit. But before that, make sure to subscribe and hit the thumbs up, and let's get straight into it. And before you want to buy a coin or start trading, make sure to verify your account, because if you haven't, you cannot proceed. So first thing you want to do, you can tap the search bar right on top, and right here you can see different type of coins. Let's say we're gonna buy a Doge coin. And this is important, guys. Right here you can see this one is spot and the other one is derivatives or USDT perpetual, which means this coin is for future trading, okay? But the spot one, that means you're buying and also holding the coin, okay? So you want to click right here. So for example, you want to buy 20 Dogecoin and you can see how much it is, or you can also input your USDT amount. Let's say 30 USDT, and you can see how much is the quantity. And if you're done, you can just click on buy. And just because this is for tutorial, so I'm not planning to complete my verification. And yeah, I hope this video helped you, and thanks for watching.